Theo is now left with a choice. A choice only a man who's been lost his son, watched his wife die, and's got nothing left to live for. A man who lives in a wasteland, wearing power armor, trying to get by day. Nowhere to live. Don't need to eat, sleep, or drink. You know, just that average main character life. No one can kill you, and if you die, you come back. This is a story about a man and his life in the military. War, war never changes.
Glad to have you aboard. We'll be taking off in a moment. Weapons hot and ready to bring the pain, sir.
Hmm?
Unless you like getting shot, never turn your back on a gunner.
By now, I'm sure you've deduced that our arrival in the Commonwealth wasn't coincidental. We're here because of a unique energy reading recorded by... According to us, the moment this information came to light, the Institute, and everyone responsible for the creation of the synths, must be eliminated at all costs. To accomplish this goal, we need to locate the Institute's headquarters. I've had our scribes meticulously searching the Commonwealth, but they've come up empty-handed. The only logical explanation is that they've gone underground. That's where we need your help.
Can you take a look at these schematics? A scientist named Virgil said they could get me inside the Institute.
I believe you'd be better served showing these plans to Proctor Ingram. That being said, I'm pleased that you've chosen to build the device with the Brotherhood. Now, indulge me for a moment by satisfying my curiosity. Tell me why you're so eager to get into the Institute.
I think they're the ones who kidnapped my son.
The Institute preys on the weak to further their own ends. Together, we'll make them pay for their crimes. I'll call ahead and brief Proctor Ingram. Report to the airport, and get to work on your project right away.
It was at that moment the kid realized he had a project at hand. A project that would set his fate forward to get a lead decision on his life. The life of him and the life of the
Attention.
whole Commonwealth.
This is a reminder. Any recovered historical, technological, or social documentation should be delivered directly to Proctor Quinlan. That is all.
The Prydwen is a magnificent ship. And we're
Proctor
lucky
Tegan.
to have her in
Those
our
farmers give you any trouble? I trust you know what to do.
Set me up.
Be my...
Uh-huh.
Don't let Maxon's age fool you. He's a brilliant tactician and an experienced soldier.
Alright, my friends in the bathroom, this is your host, Smoker, and basically where we're at in this whole quest line is to talk to this guy, which is going to give you more background on other things and etc, etc. So basically where I want to go with this is I want to repair my power armor.
Never did like this rust bucket. Oh, sure, the Prydwens are fine.
And we'll continue this video when we're talking to the guy. Thanks for watching. I know we didn't really do much, but
Feeling creative today?
at least you guys got the gist of what's going on. Till the next video.